The Navien E438 error code indicates a problem with your tankless water heater's recirculation pump. This error is commonly linked to what's known as the cold water sandwich effect. When you see this error on your Navien unit, it means the system that's supposed to keep hot water circulating through your pipes isn't working properly. The cold water sandwich effect occurs when your tankless water heater has been idle. The hot water sitting in your pipes gradually cools down while the unit isn't running. When you turn on a hot water tap, this cooled water must flow out first before the heater fires up and delivers hot water again. This creates an unpleasant burst of cold water. This means when you step into the shower expecting hot water, you get hit with cold water first. It's frustrating and uncomfortable. Recirculation systems are designed to solve this problem. A small pump continuously circulates hot water through your plumbing, keeping the pipes warm and ready. When working properly, this system eliminates the cold water sandwich by maintaining hot water circulation. However, when the pump fails, you get the E438 error. Navien's Comfort Flow system includes a buffer tank designed to minimize these issues. The buffer tank stores hot water and helps maintain consistent temperature and flow. Understanding the E438 error and cold water sandwich effect is the first step to fixing your hot water problems. When this system fails, you need to troubleshoot the recirculation components to restore proper operation. To resolve the E438 error on your Navien tankless water heater, we'll walk through a systematic troubleshooting process. Each step targets a specific component that commonly causes this recirculation pump error. First, check your water supply and return lines for any obstructions. Blocked lines can prevent proper circulation and trigger the E438 error. Look for kinks, debris, or closed valves that might restrict water flow. Next, inspect and clean the flow sensor. Debris buildup on this component can interfere with its ability to detect water flow properly. Remove the sensor carefully and clean it with appropriate cleaner, as shown in the demonstration. Verify that the circulation pump is functioning correctly. Put the unit in test mode and confirm the pump turns on and off as expected. You should also check the voltage to ensure the pump is receiving proper power. Examine the check valve to ensure it's not stuck or blocked. This valve prevents backflow in the recirculation system. A malfunctioning check valve can disrupt circulation and trigger the E438 error. Clean the inlet water filter to maintain proper water flow. A clogged filter can restrict flow and affect the recirculation pump's operation. Regular filter maintenance prevents many circulation issues. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the E438 error, consider descaling the unit to remove mineral buildup or contact a qualified technician or Navien customer support for professional assistance.